Welcome to High Tech Talk, where we simplify your crazy tech talk. Apple MacBook Air M1 has Apple M1 processor, 13-inch screen with 5K display support, 10-hour battery life, 256GB or 512GB storage, 8GB DDR4 memory support, Touch Bar support, Wi-Fi 5 support, 2 Thunderbolt 3 support. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch has Intel i5 8th Gen processor, 13-inch screen with 5K display support, 10-hour battery life, 256GB or 512GB storage, 32GB DDR4 memory support, Touch Bar and Touch ID support, Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645 graphic card and video support, Wi-Fi 5 support, 2 Thunderbolt 3 support.